We'll guide you through how to make vertical videos on iMovie on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You can do this with an existing project on CapCut, or you can do it with a new one. Perhaps you're working on something for TikTok or Instagram Reels, or you just want to go and keep it in the vertical format. So to get started, swipe up on Start a New Project to starting a new one, and go and select the video you want to do this with, and we'll press Create Movie. So this is vertical, and as you can see, it's made it square. So select the video in your timeline. Go to the top right where you see that magnification glass with the plus in, and tap on it. Then you want to go and pinch in. So grab your fingers on the side and go and drag it in like so. You can see we've now gone and zoomed it out and made it vertical. Now anything you add like text or anything like that, you need to make sure you then go and make smaller so it fits within the video. Super key. Keep editing. When you're finished, press done in the top left. Then you want to go and export it. Press the share button at the bottom and press save or share video. Press save video like so. It's now been saved to your photo library. So I'll open it up and here it is. Now you can go and see that it's now got black bars. So at the bottom, you need to go and press on those lines to the right and press crop, and you can then go and crop out the black bars like so. Then you can press done in the top right, and there it is. We've now gone and made it vertical.